With enhanced custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can track your own unique data, like sales rep and project hours. Once you set them up, you can run reports specifically for your custom fields. We'll go over several ways you can customize your reports based on custom fields. To start, select Reports, then search for the report you want to run, such as Sales by Customer Detail. This specific report displays sales details grouped by customer and project. Let's customize the report so that it shows information for sales over the last 2 months using custom field data. One option is to add columns to the report, so you can see your custom field data for each transaction. Go to Columns and select the custom field you want to add to your report from the Reorder tab. Now you can track the custom field data as a column on the report. You can also reorganize reports so they group data by custom field. Go to Group By and select Sales Rep from the Group By drop-down. Now the report groups sales by sales rep instead of customer and project. You can also sort data on reports by custom fields. To sort this report by a custom field, like Project Hours, select the column header. Now the transactions stay grouped by Sales Rep, and within each grouping, the transactions are sorted by Project Hours in ascending order. By default, reports like this show all sales over the chosen date range. You can also use filters to limit what data goes onto the report. Select Filter, then select Sales Rep equals Name of Sales Rep. Now the report only shows sales that have the chosen sales rep. Now you're ready to run reports for the custom field data you record.